SOx, and NOx. Air pollution is high on the global agenda. More stringent measures have been adopted by the International Maritime Organization, IMO, in relation to sulfur oxides, SOx, and nitrogen oxides, NOx. Globally, air pollution is regulated by IMO through its International Convention for the Prevention of Pollution from Ships, MARPOL, and its Annex 6. MARPOL Annex 6, first adopted in 1997, limits the main air pollutants contained in ships' exhaust gas, SOx and NOx, and prohibits deliberate emissions of ozone-depleting substances. MARPOL Annex 6 also regulates shipboard incineration and the emissions of volatile organic compounds from tankers. Annex 6 entered into force on the 19th of May, 2005. IMO's Marine Environment Protection Committee, MEPC, agreed in 2005 to revise MARPOL Annex 6 with the aim of significantly strengthening the emission limits in light of technological improvements and implementation experience. In October 2008, IMO adopted the amendments to Annex 6, which, among other things, strengthened the requirements on the permitted sulfur levels in ships' fuels. The main changes to MARPOL Annex 6 are a progressive reduction globally in emissions of SOx, NOx, and particulate matter. The amendments entered into force on the 1st of July 2010. Under the revised MARPOL Annex 6, the global sulfur cap is reduced initially to 3.5%, from the current 4.5%, effective from the 1st of January 2012, then progressively to 0.5%, effective from the 1st of January 2020, subject to a feasibility review and to be completed no later than 2018. The limits applicable in Emission Control Zone, ECAs, for SOx and particulate matter were reduced to 1%, beginning on the 1st of July 2010, from the original 1.5%, being further reduced to 0.1% effective from the 1st of January 2015. Progressive reductions in NOx emissions from marine diesel engines installed on ships are also included, with a Tier 2 emission limit for engines installed on or after the 1st of January 2011, then with a more stringent Tier 3 emission limit for engines installed on or after the 1st of January 2016, operating in ECAs. Marine diesel engines installed on or after the 1st of January 1990, but prior to the 1st of January 2000, are required to comply with Tier 1 emission limits, if an approved method for that engine has been certified by an administration. The revised measures are expected to have a significant beneficial impact on the atmospheric environment and on human health, particularly for those people living in port cities and coastal communities.